Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the card kit called Serene Scenes Kit. Now, this makes 9 cards, 3 each of 3 designs. We're going to go through them. Let's see, the colors are Cloud Cover, Fresh Freesia, Gray Granite, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Petal Pink, and Secret Sea. This kit is also available in French. The kit includes a stamp set called Serene Scenes, a clear block, acrylic block, gray granite classic Stampin' spots, step-by-step picture instructions. There are 9 printed envelopes and there are pre-cut paper pieces, and it also includes adhesive. And the detail on this says, have a card ready when an occasion comes up, whether it's Father's Day, a quick congratulations, or a simple thank you. The Serene Scenes kit includes coordinating card making materials and a stamp set with sentiments for both the inside and the outside, making it easy to pull together something heartfelt. Create clean, simple cards that feature inviting watercolor feel landscape scenes. And this paper I'm trying to share with you, and I don't know if it's coming through, but it's like watercolor. It is watercolor, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. It's got the texture of watercolor. So I'm sharing with you the components, and then here we are going through card number 1. And I don't think I made any mistakes on this one. This is my first card, and I didn't make any mistakes. On the other ones I did. So just heads up, foreshadowing. Because you know what? Not perfect. So oftentimes when I haven't used a stamp yet, I take a piece of copy paper or just something like on my desk and I season the stamp. So this stamp is like, it's not really anything. It's kind of like, I don't know, just a textury. It looks kind of like words, but not really. You can't read it. So you're supposed to stamp over top of this watercolored scene. And I did that. And then there are these beautiful frames that I pre-adhesed them. I pre-dimensional and added dimensionals to them. So the green goes on the bottom and the sky goes on the top, and it's perfectly imperfect, which I love. I definitely love this, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. You know what? If there's a card kit out there that I don't like, it doesn't get shared on my channel. It doesn't. No. Because I'm not going to waste my time or my money buying something that I don't like. So you should know that I'm pretty honest in that regard. If it's something that I do not like, I do not share it. All right, so anyway, off of my soapbox, here are the little trees, and they're kind of shiny. I don't know how else to explain them. They're a little slippy. And so is the painting on this, or the picture on this, so that if you do make a mistake, like I do in card number 2 and card number 3, you can pull them off of the card. And maybe it's because of the texture too, I'm not sure. So anyway, this stamp says, I think it's hello. I don't have the cards right in front of me, and I'm editing with a small screen. But anyway, it says, I think it says hello. And I put dimensionals on one side and the little glue dots on the second side. All right. Oh no, I did make a mistake on this card. Oh, you're going to see it right here. Let's see. So I didn't ink up the stamp well enough. And when I pressed down and lifted up, look what happened. I was like, I'm not going to deal with that right now. But I actually came up with a really good idea, and maybe it will help somebody else in case that happens. So make sure that you hold your block carefully and that you ink it up with enough ink. And here is my little mistake, and I'm thinking how to fix it. But you know that the piece that we punched out right there, that I was just going to save for another day, but I ended up using it to fix my mistake. Thank you very much. Please applaud. Thinking on the fly right here with y'all. Keeping it real, I guess. But look at that. No one's going to know. No one's going to know. They're going to think, oh, I took an extra special to put a sentiment on the inside. No, that was a mistake. I guess I made mistakes on all 3 cards. You know what? I'm not perfect at all. It's funny where people think, well, just because I have a YouTube channel that I'm perfect. I am not. I edit a lot of these videos so that they're quick and easy, and I flub up so much. Like there's a flub up. Oh, well. You know what? Everybody does. The thing is how to recover, how not to get discouraged. It's just anything in life, right? I think that there's so much going on right now in life that we have to be gentle with ourselves. And that is exactly what I'm doing. Sharing with you and being gentle with myself. All right, this is card number 2. Enough of that. This says you did it. And on the inside, it will say congratulations, which is lovely. So you can mix and match all of these. I'm just doing what I have here. It is nice. I also really like to reward any of my team that sort of level up or anything like that. Anybody who's got, something special to celebrate. I keep cards too. I don't sell them all. I have a basket at the hair salon where I own the hair salon, and it sounds so fancy when I say it, but it's really not. Anyway, I have a basket there, and everybody knows I sell my cards for like $2. And everybody knows that when they're sitting and waiting, they go through the bin and they buy stuff. So sometimes some of these cards get there. Sometimes they go to my team. I send cards to my team pretty much every month, and my customers as well who shop with me, for sure, they get a handmade card. It might be one of these. I don't know. It might be something that is on the channel as well. And guess what? Off the channel, I am a part of a lot of tutorials. I do tutorial bundles for Paper Pumpkin, and I have an exclusive tutorial bundle as well. And so I make lots of cards, not just, 3 a week. There's more. And it's coming up August, and I'm getting a little frightened because August is usually when my holiday cards start going, and I'm stuck in holiday mode for I don't know how long. So I'm really appreciative of this time where we are just doing sort of all occasions or congratulations. I'll even go as far as to say, sometimes a sympathy card is, unfortunately, it's necessary, but oftentimes they are quiet and serene. And I love that because I am inundated from August to, December with holiday cards, Christmas cards, because that's our biggest time of the year, really. And Mother's Day, funnily. My mom got a Paper Pumpkin card because it kind of snuck up on me. But this is sort of in time for Father's Day, which is I think it's in June, or I don't even remember. My father passed away. So, here we are. Here's my, not to make light of that situation, but this is my mistake. You can see I'm tearing my cards apart because I forgot to do that weird wordy, not wordy stamp first. So I'll show you that I've taken this apart and see how easily it went. And then now I'm doing all the stamping. And funnily enough, that I forgot the stamping. Anyway, back to what I was saying before. Is I don't make very many Father's Day cards because my father passed in 97. It's interesting too because, I'm sharing lots on this video, aren't I? I have my mom's photo albums right now, and I want to scan them, all her precious pictures, to put into a digital, photo album, or like photo picture frame. And yeah, I've been through my family photos just recently, and it's funny how two big boxes, or two picture boxes, memory boxes, I guess they're called, fits a lifetime of pictures. And I saw lots of pictures of my dad there. So and again, like, I can't necessarily remember when Father's Day is, because I don't have a father. He's passed. I usually wash my car that day because that reminds me of him. Anyway, before I get all upset, here is the Father's Day card. So it's a rare occurrence that you see this. These will be sold at the salon. I think they're beautiful. So I didn't want to, just because I don't make a card for my father, I didn't want to not make some for my clients. So these will be at the salon for purchase. And like, I only charge $2. Like, it's nothing. And on the inside, it says, "I'm so grateful to have you in my life." And honestly, when you don't have your father around, it makes a difference. Like, I really was very grateful that he was in my life for my 27 years. Yeah, he passed pretty young. Anyway, moving on. So what did I make a mistake with this one? I did the stamping, but I think the tree was, I put it in the wrong position. So here we have, again, two stamps of that weird, sort of just a scripty, textury stamp. And this is the thing, I thought I was, doing everything properly and doing it quickly for the video, because I don't want to bore you. So I hope my personal stories didn't bore you. But I did have to move the tree up. So I'm trying to be very proactive in putting my adhesive on the frames and all of that. But I ended up having to undo some of my work. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to leave a link to this kit in the description box below in case you want to check the kit yourself. It's all inclusive. It's let me think. I think it's $34. And it, like I said, it makes 9 cards, and I think they're beautiful. So I actually really like them. What else? If you haven't subscribed yet and you like card making, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is free to do so. You do not have to pay a cent. You just hit the subscribe button. And it really helps me out. You don't realize how much that helps me out. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment in the comments below. I approve all the ones. And then once they're approved, you can comment as much as you'd like. So I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.